Good day guys, so I will make a comparison video today to make you aware of how this RAV4 2026 motor as it traveled through concretized road along the way. So I want you to listen to the sound that this vehicle can create as I go along running on this smooth pavement going farther away from the city, just to compare how this vehicle under chassis soundproofing against the unsmooth road and smooth pavement. So guys, I'm here driving this RAV4 2026 model XSE, and I want you to listen to the sound that this compact SUV is creating as I travel to this concretized road. And it's quieter though. And I want you to also listen to the whooshing sound of the air that this vehicle can create. A way of testing also its cabin insulation as it travel with a speed of 70 miles per hour. Though the response of this vehicle in this kind of road is very smooth, very responsive steering wheels, and the lane tracing assist is very active. So it's almost dark now. Time check, it's already 8:24 in the evening. So just listen to the sounds guys, so that you can also like hear how it is go along with this speed that I have now. And I'm getting slower, 61 miles per hour. I actually turn off the air conditioning just to make sure that it will not mask the sound of the air outside. By the way guys, this test is only based on my personal point of view without the use of qualified sound testing electronic gadget.